Hello, welcome to Madeline Korea's cooking channel, and I am here with you, my dear viewers, to make a dish called the khichdi. These are the things you require. This is moong dal, which is in my left hand, and this is local basmati in my right hand. Both these stuff are very well washed in 2-3 waters, soaked for 1 hour before cooking this dish. Okay, and this is the cup I use to measure. You won't believe that after soaking it becomes bulk. Okay, now I'll start the process. Now I start with the process. Now this khichdi, so called, prepared in 2 stages. I've heated this cooker, and this is the ghee I'm using because this particular dish has to be prepared in ghee. So I'm using 1 serving spoon of ghee. I have kept it on medium flame. These are the 3 spices, dry spices I'm using for this: cloves, cinnamon, and a few corns of pepper. I put it in the hot. Next step is I will put chopped ginger, which is 1 teaspoon, chopped garlic 1 teaspoon, chopped green chilies 2 in number, onions, stir it till it becomes translucent. Put the chopped tomatoes 2 in number, ripe one. Then put in the dal. Be careful, sorry. Put in the rice. Sorry for being messy, okay, because the steam touched me. No problem. Okay. Now comes, I have to put water. Now see the measurement of water. Now since this dish has to become very soft, not grainy, I have to use so much of water, measurement. I'm putting in this because there is some water. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't waste any grain of rice or dal. Little turmeric I have to put. A pinch of turmeric. I have to put salt. Salt to taste, okay? Some like it a little more, some like it less. I have to close the cooker. So this is the idea I have, not to make my cooker messy on the gas. So I put some cooking oil around the rim of this. I showed you in my previous videos also. Okay, cover it. Yes, put it on high flame. Yes, and leave it for 2 whistles. After 2 whistles, I have to put it off. This is the second whistle. Second whistle I'm putting off, and you see it didn't get messy. That's why that applying oil to the rim of this is very important. Now I will let the steam off after 2 minutes. I put the gas off, okay, and leave it for 2 minutes. and then I have to let the steam off because I have to begin with the second step. Okay, 2 minutes are over and I will let it steam. I am leaving the steam because I don't want this khichdi to become very soft. Okay, I don't want to take the risk. Okay, if it is still not cooked, then I can add water and again cook it. This is the second step of seasoning. You know, I have to prepare the season and pour it into the khichdi, which is done. Now, let this vessel get hot, and these are the dry masala I am going to use. Okay, this is the harbar dal, just few mustard seeds, cumin seeds, these are 3 things, and asafoetida I will be using. Okay, now let me put the ghee in. For this particular dish, you don't have to use coconut oil or anything, you have to use ghee. So, mustard seeds are used, cumin seeds, a few, this, let it get use 2 red chilies, dry chilies those are, and 1 this fresh this thing. Finish, it's almost over. The curry leaves are fresh. Okay, it off. Let it be in this. Now I'll have to show you the khichdi. See, this is the right way I wanted. You see? That's why I de-steamed it fast. Okay, I'll just take out in a dish and garnish it with the seasoning. Oh, awesome. You see? You know, I don't want it to become too watery. I have to empty the whole thing, okay, Safra? Just give me some time. Don't waste any grain. Even with tuar dal. Understood? But I said let me put. And always cook this in ghee. The taste, the flavor of the ghee is very important for khichdi. Okay, now listen to the next step. Okay, I will put this green chilies, put the coriander chopped. You see, my daughter is saying the chilies are gigantic, and you know, in the lockdown period, thank God at least I got these chilies. Okay, and we are managing with the little limited ration that we have. These youngsters don't understand, you know, how the kitchen runs, how you should be careful, not step out. These are the things available in the house. That is it. While serving, you can mix it. You see, the green chili will give the flavor. And actually, you have seen me, my steps of cooking. So, you know, my dear viewers, I'm so happy I cooked khichdi today for my family. And yummy it is. Especially I'm getting the flavor of the ghee. And ghee, mind you, is very good for health. This is all my mother and my grandmother taught me, that having ghee, butter is very good for health. Okay, gives you energy to work. And please drop in your comments, subscribe to my channel, and I'll put many more videos.
Wait, that thing is coming.